YouTube, we're here for another box break. Today we're doing 4 hot corner boxes. The reason I picked up these 4 is because I really liked what was in the past video of 2 corner boxes. Start with our first hot box. Well, pulled a Tommy Mendocata card, and this is from Prospects Topps 2009. So I've never heard of this player. I doubt he's still in the prospect. Probably retired already. Ooh, Al Leiter. Cool card. This one they put a sleeve on. Jersey, authentic, game worn, aces. Al Leiter. Nice. Growing up, I watched him pitch. 5-card stud, Al Leiter. Congratulations. He's on the Mets here, right? Mets? Yep, Mets. From 2002, Topps Chrome Baseball, game worn jersey, Al Leiter, aces. Topps Chrome, nice. Hey, nothing wrong with Topps Chrome. It's a nice hit right there. And let's see what's in this box. We have a 2018 Series 1 pack. Pinnacle. I really like these Pinnacles. I just, they're not worth much, but it's really cool. It's a hobby pack. Get a lot of autographs in those. This is a Big League. When I pulled a Big League out of a box, I pulled out a Cal Ripken autograph. You'll see it in my other videos. And then a 9 trading cards of the 2019 high number. Nice. This is a good one. I'll start with this one. What's in here? Like an Acuna rookie? Possible. 2019. So we pull here. Francisco Mejia. Yasiel Puig. J.D. Davis. No rookies so far. Alex Wood. Hector Neris. I think this might be a short print. Let's see, 29, 21, yep. Don't know who he is, but it's a short print. Opened up a couple of those packs and got Hector Neris, so I know. Drew Jackson rookie card. Don't know who he is. Jed Lowry, Jacoby Jones, and Josh Figley. So not a great pack. We open up 2019 Big League. I know the big hits here are Eloy Jimenez, Pete Alonso, and Fernando Tatis, which are all short prints. And hopefully we get a autograph. Jose Abreu, Jared Cole, Tyler Mahle, Jonathan Scope, Marcell Ozuna, Matt Boyd, yellow, gold, Chachin, Luis Castillo, Andrew Cashner, and a Chris Sale. So nothing great there, unless Matt Boyd becomes a stud. As I said, you get some hits there, not the greatest. Dave Ortiz. Nice card. I'll keep that. Nolan Ryan. Nothing wrong with Nolan Ryan. Sometimes these cards have like artist proof, something like that. Tony Singarani. I think he's a good player. So a couple rookies in a row. And it looks like we're getting an auto here. LJ Hose. Try to cover it up. There we go. So LJ Hose, don't know who he is. Tim Lincecum. Almost, not a Hall of Famer, but had a lot of great years. Yoenis Cespedes and CC Sabathia. So let's see what we got here. Awaiting the call. Okay, so it's a rookie or minor leaguer, Pinnacle Baseball. Oh, Edgar Martinez. Seattle. So is this like an auto? Nope, just an insert. Still cool. And the Sabathia. I got one of these Sabathias with an artist proof. He made, 3,000 strikeouts. He's going in, Hall of Fame. Last pack of our first box, and this is the Baseball 2018 Series 1. Jorge Polanco, Edwin Nunez, Bruce Maxwell, Trey Turner, cool card, Charlie Blackmon. Oh, nice, Mike Trout. Nothing wrong with Mike Trout here. What we got here? Mike Trout, legends in the making. Nice. Put to the side. Home run challenge. Nope, I think we're late on this one. Oh, nice. We got a Victor Robles rookie card. Ariel Miranda. Ian Kisner. Joey Gallo. Chris Owings. And Edwin Boloquez. Here we are with our second box. The first card is a Jeff Cabernis, and this is a numbered 4/499 Topps Chrome rookie card auto. Nice, really nice card. And then we have another one here, and this is another Topps Chrome Seth Lugo. Nice, being from the New York area, seen him pitch a lot, and that's an on-card auto, both of them. Nice. Those are really, really good. I'm very happy with those two. And we have a 2019 Heritage, not a high number. 2019 Allen Ginter, another Pinnacle, which I like. And I like to open those. And then 2019 Series 1. Series 1 first. Let's see, Series 1. I don't think there's too many studs on this. Too many great cards here. This is a little bent. This is Ryan O'Hearn, Ryan Tanner, Trey Mancini, who's sick, Nick Markakis, hope he recovers, Paul Goldschmidt, Andrelton Simmons with a great play there, James McCann, Yolanda Alonso, Ryan Buraki. I'm not familiar with him. Cracking Jokes, Rizzo, and Perez, Salvador Perez. I like those cards. Okay, Javier Baez making a great grab there. Zach Goodley. Jackie Bradley, safe at home. Irvin Santana. Has a great career. Oh, Brandon Lowe, rookie card. Hoping the Braves have some great years coming ahead. Houston's Astrodome. Oh, no, I'm so sorry, Houston's Astrodome. What's this called? Minute Maid Park. D. Gordon. Nice. D. Gordon, 35th year. It's a cool card. With Merrifield. Wonder if this is a 67. Acuna now, Topps now. I don't know what those are worth. Bregman and Ohtani. So that was 67. You see that? And that is a 10. So this is where this is a. This looks like it's going to be a variation. Good, great pull. Mike Leake. Gleyber Torres, rookie cup. Ain't bad at all. Joey Gallo. Will Smith. Gene Segura. Lou Trevino. Dan Straley. Aaron Nola. Justin Bohr. Blake Training. Eric Hosmer, Ryan Healy, Shane Green, and Tyler Glasnow, who I hope gets better. Again, Pinnacle Hobby. Hoping for an autograph here. Craig Kimbrell, Paul Goldschmidt. I got that one of those artist proof from this. Remember, I got him. So you have to pay attention to the artist proof down here. Ariels Cabrera, J.D. Martinez, and is this Pujols? Pushing Power, Albert Pujols. Nothing in the back. I like that card though. A-Rod. Cool card, I'll keep that. Rookie card of Colin McHugh and Rob Brantley. Alright, so Allen Ginter. Open it up. Jason Varitek. Alfaro. Summers. What Summers is this? Mark Summers? Nickelodeon, looks like it. Turner in the mini. Got a nice horse here. And Swanson. So only one card in there, one little mini card there. Okay, the Heritage, we're opening it up. Not my favorite, but it'll do. Corbin Burns and Nate Orf. Rookies. Tyler Skaggs, rest in peace. Khalib Ferguson and Dennis Santana. I think Dennis Santana's pretty good. Matt Shoemaker, Lourdes Juriel Jr., Darren Span. We have Mondo Sosa and Aldos Garcia. Nolan Arenado and Steven Matz. I like these cards. These are pretty cool. The whole set, I like these newspaper sporting news ones. Got our third box here. What hits we get out of here? So far, we've been doing pretty well with the hits, the loose hits. Packs haven't been too great. Ooh, nice. And this is Anthony Banda, rookie on-card auto. They did not sleeve it. And this is a 250. This is a really cool card. You see that? Some shine there. Really nice card. Let's see what else. We have Archives 2019, another big league. My favorite Pinnacle to open. And Allen and Ginter, which is kind of thick. And who we have here? Martin Prado. And this is it was a $5 card for somebody. And this is one of those game-used memorabilia bats of Martin Prado. Bravo Prado. The Braves. Those are two good hits. We'll open up the packs. Allen Ginter first. I told you I don't like the minis, but this feels fat. This pack feels different than the last one we just opened. Oh, it's got one of these cards in the back. That's usually a good sign. Save this in case we get a hit. Okay, so we got Rocks. Don't know who that is. Orbis. Who's this guy? I have no idea. Strongest Man. Okay. Bieber. A little Cub. One of these spaceships. Well, not a spaceship, but a Lockheed SR-71. If anybody wants that, let me know. Hunter, Jim Hunter. Catfish Hunter. Check if this is a short print. Nope, doesn't look like that. So that's Catfish. Wasn't great at all. All right, the Pinnacles, my favorite to open. Here we go, 8 cards. George Brett, nice. George Brett, Pinnacle. Starlin Castro, look out for him. If he slenders down, gets some good years in him, he might be up there in hits. Jurassic Profile rookie card. Gene Machi. He's probably out of the league already. Ooh, nice. Pinnacle Success. Pinnacle Buster Posey. take that. Future Hall of Famer. Andy Pettitte, checking the signs. Doesn't look like he wants that pitch. Can't read it. John Lester, possible Hall of Famer. And Alan Craig. All right, let's try the big league. Nice. So let's see what we got here. Oh, Freddie Freeman, Sean Manaea, Kirby Yates, Tyler Mahle. There's a blast off of Javier Baez insert. And we have a Trey Turner, Billy Hamilton starting Marte Stat King Gold. It's cool. Ryan Zimmerman, Chachin, Jules Chachin, I guess. Delino DeShields and Willie Astudillo. These are fun to open. Reminds me of the old packs. Drew Snyder. Justin Verlander. Gleyber, that's what we want. Gleyber Torres. Nice. Who's this guy? Anelia de Los Santos. Alright. Rookie card. Al Kaline, rest in peace. Just passed away recently. Nice card of him. Good to see him. Oh, we got an auto. Get out of here. Joe Pepitone, fan favorite. That is cool. That is great to pull out of this pack. What else we got? Honus Wagner. Awesome card of Honus Wagner. That's a cool card. That's a keeper. And Carl Yastrzemski. That's a nice card. But nice. Pepitone on-card auto. Believe that? Believe it. Nice. Let's leave this up. And for the last pack, that's a great pull. Joe Pepitone is pretty cool. Really, really cool pull. I know some friends of my brothers who are older who definitely watched him play. Trying to get the glue out of there. All right, here we go. All right. So, a sticker of Anthony Mayo from Bowman, 2013. Definitely not somebody I know of, so he's definitely probably out of the league, but it's nice auto. It looks like a Matt Carpenter. What is this, auto? Hopefully no. Patch, he's a good player. If he has a long career, he'll put some numbers up. It's a nice material there. All right, so we got a Topps Archive, which we hit a huge auto before, of Joe Pepitone. I would never have thought I would get him. Jorge Posada, Kevin Kramer rookie card. It's hard to see, there's a rookie card right there. Shohei Ohtani. Deion Sanders with the Braves. Nice. And it looks like a grand slam from Lindor. Highlights. Miguel Cabrera. Yeah, we got some good players at least. Yolanda Alonso and Dansby Swanson. Going to our next pack. And this one feels thick, unless they come that way, of 2019 Series 1. An exclusive Gleyber Torres highlights card. Might come out of here from what I'm reading there. Alright, nothing thick. Sal Romano, Charlie Blackmon, Jake Blowers rookie card. Underwood, Dwayne Underwood Jr. rookie card. Kevin, I see some foil there. Kevin Kuzman, Andrew Miller. This is Brett Phillips, diving. Joey Votto insert, Cactus League. Oh, nice. A JT Real Muto with the Marlins, not with the Phillies. This is some shine. Jed Geico, Matt Carpenter, Jordan Zimmerman. It's tough because they have the first name in the bottom, so when I'm going through these, It's a little tough. Addison Reed, Adam Ottavino, throws gas. Yasiel Puig with the Dodgers. And we have Anthony Rendon. We're going to do the big league first, 2019. Go out of here, like I said, Pete Alonso, Fernando Tatis, or Eloy Jimenez. Big bucks, no whammies. Let's do it. Trevor Bauer, Josh James rookie card. Don't know how good he is. Salvador Perez with a bubblegum. Pulling the bubblegum. Randall Grichuk. Shohei Ohtani. Good card there. Zach Wheeler Gold. Hope he has a promising 2020. A contest we win. Jonathan Villar. Alberto Alomar Jr. Almora, Yan Gomez, and Trey Mancini. And for our final pack, last box was our boy Joe Pepitone. So let's see. Oh, this looks like familiar right here. Dave Ortiz, Nolan Ryan, same cards coming up. VCL Garcia, whatever happened to him? Rookie card. Something's there. I'm going to flip this over. See if I can get this card, maybe. Alright, here we go. Alright, so Mike Olt, rookie card. Let's see if I can pull this somehow. Okay, here we go. So CC Sabathia, Alan Craig. It looks exactly like the other pack. And yep, exactly. So here we go. What do we have? This looks a little different. Red. It's a red card. Okay. Miguel Cabrera? No. Oh, Profar. Jackson's Profar. Team 2020. Okay. I guess not. I'm assuming this is a variation, or I'm sorry, parallel. Red. So it's not bad. We'll take it. Of Carpenter material. Anthony Mayo autograph. And oh, I think this is the biggest hit. Joe Pepitone. Absolutely. Not a Hall of Famer, but a fan favorite. Nice. This is a PC, definitely. Joe Pepitone. Best card there. And I like the Outlighter Aces. Seth Lugo, and I don't know who this guy is, but it's a decent card. Guys, hit that like button, subscribe. See you on the next video.